Best steam, robotic and wet vacuum cleaners for tile floors. Welcome to our informational video on the best steam, robotic, and wet vacuum cleaners for tile floors. Tile floors are a beautiful addition to any home, but they can be difficult to clean. That's why it's essential to have the right tools for the job. 1. Steam cleaners. Steam cleaners are an excellent choice for cleaning tile floors because they use hot water vapor to deep clean and sanitize without the need for harsh chemicals. This method is ideal for those who have pets or children as it eliminates the use of chemicals, which can be harmful to their health. Steam cleaners also help to remove tough stains, grime, and dirt that traditional mops and brooms cannot reach. 2. Robotic cleaners. Robotic cleaners are an innovative and convenient way to keep your tile floors clean. These devices are designed to move around on their own and use sensors to detect dirt and debris. They can reach tight spaces and corners, making it easy to clean those hard-to-reach areas. Robotic cleaners are also time-efficient, allowing you to focus on other tasks while the machine takes care of the cleaning. 3. Wet vacuum cleaners. Wet vacuum cleaners are ideal for tile floors as they use a combination of water and suction to remove dirt and debris. They are great for removing spills, stains, and pet hair from your tile floors. Wet vacuum cleaners are also excellent for those who suffer from allergies as they have a HEPA filter that traps dust and other allergens. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. For the best pricing, visit our website.